This is the Diawl Bach, a Welsh fly pattern that's sure to catch you some fish. To tie it, we'll start off with some white thread, secure it to our hook shank, and snap your excess free. Continuing to wrap backwards before grabbing some saddle hackle. Here I'm using furnace. Pluck a single feather free, stripping off some of the fibers, securing it to your hook shank, and wrapping backwards towards the bend of our hook. With this complete, we'll continue securing the fibers in place before snipping your excess free. Cover up your tag ends. Grabbing some flashaboo. Here I'm using pearl. Snip a few free and secure them to the side of your hook shank. Once again, wrapping back towards our tail. At which point, we'll bring our thread forward towards the head of the fly and grab some medium red wire. Securing it to our hook shank, once again wrapping back towards our tail. With our wire secured in place, we'll wrap back up towards the head of the fly and grab some peacock herl. Pull a few fibers free, once again securing them to the side of your fly, wrapping back towards our tail. Return your thread to the head of the fly once more, and begin wrapping the peacock herl forward in close touching spirals, doing so until we reach our thread, at which point we'll secure it in place, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind before snipping the excess free. We'll then grab our flashaboo, folding it over the sides of the peacock before securing it at the head of the fly. Snip your excess free, grabbing your wire and wrapping it forward in open spirals. Once we reach our thread, we'll secure it in place, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind, and helicopter your excess free. We'll then grab our furnace feather, strip off a few more fibers, and secure it to the underside of your fly, with the tips reaching just about to the hook point. Secure it tightly in place, and snip your excess free. We'll then grab some jungle cock, securing it to one side of our fly, slightly facing up, away from our body, before securing another to the other side. Snip your excess free. Color in your thread with a red Sharpie. You could also start with a red thread. However, using white in replace of many colors can help you reduce the amount of threads needed in your tying room. With this complete, we'll grab a whip finisher and begin building up a prominent red head at the head of our fly, continuing to do so until all the white is covered. Seat your thread, snip the excess free, and paint it over with some UV resin. And this is a Welsh fly pattern that translates to Little Devil and is a highly productive nymph or even a wet fly. And if you'd like to see your country's or state's popular or favorite fly, add a suggestion to the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.